Morning, everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to find your USB hard drive or a USB. So this is a common issue at the moment. I mean, sometime what happened when you plug in your USB, you plug in your hard drive, but it will not really showed up on your my computer. So how you had to find it, how to had to be find where it is, so how to do the process. I will show you all this. So I'm going to share my screen first of all. So share the screen. Here you go. Okay, now I'm going to minimize this. So what you have to do, you just let me move this a little bit up. So going to be cornered better. Now you have to do what? Just go to my computer. So this is the PC here. So I do what? I just plug in the USB. You will see the voice. Okay, I just plugged in, but it's not showing here. Okay, I will double check again. I just go to, okay, for this, how you had to be find it where the hard drive or where the USB is. Just go to the PC or my computer, go to right click and go to manage. So it will just move this one a little bit here. So you can see both screens together. Okay, let me just browse a little bit more down or just move this my screen down. Okay. So, okay, here, if you go to your device manager, you will find all the details of your devices, and if you want to be, it should be plugged in. After this, we had to go to the disk management. So this is the hard drive, what I plugged in already, but it will not showing up here. So I just unplug one time, it just disappear. So when I plugged in, it show up here, but it will not showing on my computer. So what you're going to do, you had to do the right click and you have to assign a letter, which is the name of the device. You have to assign it. So just go to the add and press OK. If you realize, as I done this, the hard drive showed up here. So this is the thing. This is how easy it is. But the thing, if you don't know, so it will be harder to find your device. So I just go back, just minimize this one and minimize this one, and I'm gonna stop sharing and go back to the screen. Okay, so this is the thing. I mean, whenever you feel you plugged in your USB drive and you plugged in your external hard drive and it will not show up. So this is a very quick way to find and reactive your device. I hope you like this very short tip. Please share if with other people, if they want to know more about this, because maybe we can help somebody, right? So just take care of yourself and have a fabulous day. Bye now.